Hello friends, in this video we will learn about insertion in AVL tree with rotation. So there are while creating AVL tree, we insert a node. Then some node may become imbalance. So tree become imbalance. To balance, we perform rotation. So there are four type of rotation. First one is LL rotation, next RR rotation, next LR rotation, then one more is RL rotation. We will understand all rotation one by one. Let's start with LL rotation. So I have already created a small tree. 30 is root node. Then in left subtree 20 node is there. Then if we want to insert 10, so according to binary search tree, it will be created left side of 20. So after insertion, tree will be like 30, 20 and 10. Now let's calculate its balance factor. For this, balance factor is 0, then 1, and this is 2. So here balance factor is more than 1, so this node is imbalance. That's why whole tree is imbalance. So this type is known as LL imbalance. Because left imbalance. How it become imbalance? Due to left. So that's why its name is LL imbalance. For LL imbalance, we perform rotation. So how we will perform rotation? Let's see. 30, 20 and 10. Due to it become imbalance due to LL imbalance, so that's why we will perform LL rotation. LL rotation will be like this. We will perform LL rotation like this. Like you can assume as a string, we will move it like this. In this way we will move it so that this 20 will be as a root node. After rotation, how tree will look like? 20 will come here, then here 10 as it is, then 30 will goes in right side. Okay. Rotation are always done with 3 node. Whether tree have 100 node or 1000 node, but it will always done with 3 node. Like here how we are seeing, that's why I am showing you with help of 3 nodes. With help of 3 nodes, only with help of 3 nodes rotation can be done. Or due to this, all the subchild or subtree available here will be rotated. That I will show you later. First learn with 3 node only. Okay. So this is LL imbalance or LL rotation we can say, or this is also in clockwise direction. So this you can also say clockwise rotation. Means this is right side going, so its name can be right rotation, LL rotation, or clockwise rotation. Any name you can say according to your preference. The next one is, in this tree only I will show how to perform RR imbalance, then we will balance this. Okay. First I will erase this. RR rotation or left rotation, LL rotation or right rotation. Okay. Okay, let's see how initial tree here 10, 20 is greater than 10, that's why it will be in right side. Okay, this is initial tree. Again I want to insert 30. How tree will look like? 10, 20 and here 30. Okay. Same. After insertion, this if we will calculate its balance factors, balance factor is 0, its balance factor is -1, its balance factor is -2. It is greater than 1, that's why this node is imbalanced, that's why whole tree is imbalanced. We want to balance it. That's why we will perform rotation. With help of rotation, this tree will be balanced. Okay, this is RR imbalance. Right. This is right and this is right. right. That's why its name is RR imbalance. This is RR imbalance. Okay, this is RR imbalance. Then we will perform rotation. How we will perform rotation? Let's see. Tree is 10, 20 and 30. Okay, this is imbalance due to right side, so we will perform left rotation on it. Okay, how rotation will perform? Like this. You can assume it as a string. We will pull this string or move this string so that 20 will be as a root node. So 20, 10, 30. Its name is RR rotation or left rotation, because left side we are performing rotation, or counterclockwise, also we can say that counterclockwise, counterclock rotation. All is its name. Okay, we have seen two. Now let's see another one. Next one is RR imbalance. So initial tree is 30, okay, then 10. This is initial. Okay, we will insert again 20. This is 30, 10. What is rule of binary search tree? With that rule only we will insert. Randomly we can't insert it. This is binary search tree, but it is height balance tree. 30, then it is 20. Okay, this is, we will calculate its balance factor. Okay, its balance factor is calculated. Balance factor for this is 0, this is -1, or for this 2. For this level height is balanced, but for this node this is not balanced, it is imbalance. So we want to perform rotation so that the tree can be balanced. How it is imbalanced? Left, then right, left, right. Okay, so this is LR imbalance. This is LR imbalance. Okay, now we will perform rotation. How rotation will be performed? Let's see. (30, 10, 20). This is LR imbalance, so we will perform LR rotation. How LR rotation will be performed? First assume we will, like we were using a string, same assume as a string, like this we will pull. Then how tree will look like after this rotation? 30, 20 will come here and 10 will goes here. Okay, again this is imbalance. Okay, so again we will perform rotation like this. Okay, so after rotation how tree will look like? 20, 10 and 30. Okay, this is only one rotation but have two steps. That's why its name is double rotation. We can say that it is double rotation. But if I will ask how many rotation is performed, so its answer is one rotation I perform. But one rotation have two steps. One step we move like this, then next step we move like this. So first what we perform? We perform left rotation, then we perform right rotation. That's why it is LR rotation. Its name is LR rotation. First left, LR rotation. Okay, this is one rotation, have two steps. Okay, now let's see how RL imbalance is. For that first I will erase this, then I will show you. See, fine, after rotation all tree look like same, no difference. We will see how RR rotation will perform. Okay, initial 10, then 30. Okay, this is initial. We will insert 20. 10, 30, 20. Okay, first right side 30 is inserted, then 20 is less than 30, that's why it is left side. So we will calculate its balance factor. Its balance factor is 0, 1, and its balance factor minus 2. This is imbalance due to its balance factor. Its balance factor is greater than 1 or minus 1, as we have seen how to calculate balance factor in previous video. So this is RL imbalance. This is RL imbalance. So we will perform rotation. How rotation will be performed? Again 10, 30, 20. Okay. First, rotation in right direction. So how after rotation, how tree will look like? Then 20, 30. Here right rotation will perform, and again this is also imbalance. So again one more rotation, one more step. Okay, so after rotation how tree will look like? 20, 10 and 30. Okay, so this is also double rotation. First we perform right rotation, then left rotation. So RL rotation. This is also double rotation, and what I told you, one rotation but have two steps. Okay, so what we have learned today in this video? LL rotation, LL rotation and RL rotation. Both are single rotation. These both first and second is single rotation. And this is double rotation. Why double rotation? Because it contains two steps. That's all. Thank you for this. Thank you.